Good morning, Daisy. Good morning, everybody. How are you? I want to talk about pollution problem. I have chosen this company because I resolve we having say pollution problem, which are called with an ambiental problem, the reduction of the national resources, and problem with the environment. For example, where soil, air, and pollution. This company reproduce ambiental pollution harmful while ambiental practice desolating money and years. This level for the consequence that this probably cause the immunity the same growth. The ocean and demands the former level where no pollution, water, soil, air, no pollution the nation, having flow and ecological solution please says the company are refreshed. What the environment is today are destruction and natural resources and deforestation. The positive impact that has caused to the environment, say natural resources, animals and care, out air, water and soil. Air distribution may allow residual for an infusion we consider to a way fly in the planet to add children, find addresses in world, also doesn't help what is happening all the night. Why? Comfort and illusion. However, the human being has changed the last time, which has caused too much harm in the front for human being. If foreign party moral, actually, the unseen nation, for example, this factory, display quantity of money and pollution, and in mind that it will happen the world or the election we markets and planet alive. No pollution or dribbling, waste, soil, health, agriculturally friendly, which is head and lost resources in humanly it will get online with a lot of God. Finally, this video is because its premise was Harvard Felicio about the root problem that the union has caused life and the plan. It's time to free that it took responsibility defend the plan. Discipline for plan and long about at that showing thank you very much.